The Christmas season is over, and as you throw away your little fir tree, you can check out how old it was when it was sacrificed for your Christmas pleasure by counting the rings at the bottom. Let me show you mine. So I went a bit overboard and cut and sanded the trunk of my tree. You could just count it raw to make it easy. You might have to estimate a bit near the center. Every year is a ring. So the ring right before the bark is 2024, so the most recent year. So I turned up the contrast and zoomed in a bit for the last few because it's a bit tough. Even as I sanded it, I didn't do a great job. But this tree is around 12 years old. So